Welcome to our latest video on the top home automation products. Home automation is the use of technology to control and automate various systems and functions in the home. It is a subset of the Internet of Things, IoT, which refers to the interconnectedness of everyday devices and appliances. The popularity of home automation has risen in recent years as it allows homeowners to have greater control and convenience over their living spaces. In this video, we will introduce you to the top home automation products available today, including new and innovative options such as smart home audio, smart home art, and smart automated pet sitting and monitoring. We'll discuss how these devices are controlled and monitored, along with the ability to incorporate user preferences, even from remote locations. We also share typical price ranges and how these technologies can add to home value, making properties more appealing for short-term rental guests. One of the most popular home automation products on the market are smart thermostats. These devices allow you to control the temperature in your home from anywhere using your smartphone or tablet. They also have the ability to learn your preferences and automatically adjust the temperature to your liking. Some smart thermostats, such as the Nest and Ecobee, even have the ability to detect when you're away from home and adjust the temperature accordingly to save energy. The typical price range for a smart thermostat is around $100 to $300. Another popular home automation product is smart lighting. These devices allow you to control your lights from anywhere using your smartphone or tablet. You can also set schedules for your lights to turn on and off, or even have them turn on automatically when you arrive home. Some smart lighting systems, such as Philips Hue, also allow you to change the color and brightness of your lights to create different moods and ambiances in your home. The typical price range for a smart lighting system is around $50 to $200. Voice-controlled assistants act like hubs for home automation. Products such as Amazon Alexa and Google Home are becoming increasingly popular in home automation. These devices allow you to control your smart home devices, play music, set reminders, and much more, all with your voice. Some voice-controlled assistants, such as the Amazon Echo Dot and Google Nest Mini, are even small enough to fit in any room of your home. The typical price range for a voice-controlled assistant is around $50 to $200. A smart door lock is a home automation product that allows you to lock and unlock your doors remotely using your smartphone or tablet. This means you can let in guests, such as a dog walker or a repairman, even when you're not at home. Some smart door locks, such as the August Smart Lock and Quickset Kivo, also have the ability to detect when you're approaching and automatically unlock the door for you. The typical price range for a smart door lock is around $100 to $300. Smart security cameras are another popular home automation product. These cameras allow you to monitor your home from anywhere using your smartphone or tablet. Some smart security cameras, such as the Nest Cam and Ring Spotlight Cam, also have the ability to detect motion and send you alerts when there is activity in your home. The typical price range for a smart security camera is around $100 to $300. Smart home audio systems, such as Sonos and Bose, allow you to control your home's audio system using your smartphone or voice-controlled assistant. These systems allow you to play music, podcasts, and other audio content in different rooms of your home and even adjust the volume and equalization settings. Smart home audio systems typically range in price from $200 to $1,000. Smart home art is a growing category of home automation products. These include digital picture frames, such as the Nixplay, that allow you to display your favorite photos and videos, and content subscriptions, such as the Mural Canvas, that provide access to curated art collections. These devices can be controlled and customized through a smartphone app and can even change the displayed art based on the time of day or your personal preferences. The typical price range for a smart home art device is around $200 to $500. Smart automated pet sitting and monitoring. Smart automated pet sitting and monitoring devices, such as the Furbo dog camera, allow you to keep an eye on your pets while you're away from home. These devices often come with features such as live streaming, two-way audio, and even treat dispensers that can be controlled remotely through a smartphone app. These devices can also provide peace of mind for pet owners who travel frequently or want to check in on their pets during the day. The typical price range for a smart automated pet sitting device is around $150 to $300. Home automation products can be controlled and monitored using a variety of methods, including smartphones, tablets, and voice-controlled assistants. Many products also have their own dedicated apps that allow you to control and monitor your devices from anywhere. Most devices also have the ability to incorporate user preferences, even from remote locations, allowing you to customize your home to your liking. Home automation technology can also add value to a home, making it more appealing to potential buyers or renters. Smart thermostats, lighting, and security cameras can help reduce energy costs and make a home more efficient. Smart home audio and art can also add a sense of luxury and convenience to a home. For short-term rental guests, such as those using Airbnb, these technologies can also make a home more appealing by providing amenities such as voice-controlled assistants and smart security cameras. Home automation is becoming increasingly popular as it allows homeowners to have greater control and convenience over their living spaces. From smart thermostats to smart home audio and smart automated pet sitting, there is a wide range of products available that can make your home smarter. With the ability to control and monitor these devices remotely and incorporate user preferences, these technologies can also add value to a home and make it more appealing to potential buyers or renters. Home automation products may seem like a breeze to use, but let's be real, you'll need more than just a finger to set it up. You'll need a basic understanding of internet connectivity and device setup to truly enjoy the full potential of these products. That means adding devices to your home network, installing hardware and software across devices, and keeping them updated for a seamless experience. The last thing you want is to have to worry about the ongoing maintenance and support of these devices. That's where a professional comes in. By hiring a technical service provider, you can ensure that the setup, configuration, and ongoing maintenance of your home automation systems is handled by experts. This way you can truly enjoy the convenience and benefits of a smart home without the stress and worries of keeping it running smoothly. Thanks for watching.